The mind is one of the most powerfulest weapons. Because your mind can make you rich and your mind can make you poor. Your mind can make you live and your mind can make you die. So people use it because everybody born with talent, you know. See, Samia, no worry yourself. You're alright. Yes, sir. No worry yourself. I'm alright. I'm going to work with Sam. Here, I'm going to work with
pressure pill.
Water pill, pressure pill, all type of pill in there. All type of pill.
Can show him. Yeah, can show him.
Go on for the man.
Yeah.
Walk back, man. Just practice to talk, walk back, man. Yeah. Right now, you have a thing named where the human body now, you have a thing named the spine, which is the lumbar spine. And you develop a thing, you see him up here. Spinal stenosis. That means the vagus nerves want clean up and the automatic nerves and the...
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Whoa.
Oh, you know, in the kitchen, you know.
You know, and we have Zaka Zo. You know, we have Wormy.
Oh, dear.
That are sexy B, Wormy B.
Oh, dear.
And we go big up yourself, sexy B. Anyway, there in Toronto, Toronto, Canada. We know the thing are the sexy B. That's Wormy. Wormy 1B. You know, we're not talking about 2B, 3B. That's Wormy 1B. And today now, special. It is very colorful. Colorful.
You know, some island.
Zaka.
Vegetable mix, you know? Yeah. Vegetable mix you deal with now.
So today we have provide some meal for the elderly them. So today is the elder day, so we have what the ground provide. That's most things what the ground provide here today. So we have a callaloo. Come on, so
Irish mix up.
We say callaloo and Irish.
Irish mix up.
For the elders them today.
Yeah.
Earth food, you know.
Not sure.
Earth food, my friend. Look on the wall, look on the greenness, you know.
Earth source.
And I represent the earth, you know.
Yeah. So
red, gold and green are cut up there already. Only for red, gold and green are cut up.
Yeah, so the kitchen look healthy today.
Yeah, man. So I say, watch it. Whoa, watch it.
So we're there, so
yeah, man,
I'm going to cut the pumpkin and carrot. And you name it.
All natural.
Yeah, man.
All natural.
Irish
and sweet pot and see you have the okra there, so.
Red, gold and green, you see?
And the zaga with the seasoning, you have to go and cut up onion. You see the red, gold and green?
Yeah.
And see what ground
If I
provide.
put red, gold and green, you have it in the vegetable. You have it in seasoning. So,
And see you have the,
yeah, man. So,
they say the cabbage.
Yeah.
So people them call cabbage cabbage, you know it go around in Jamaica, them create names for everything.
No, natural name now.
So
I Celestia, you see it?
cabbage and
yeah, man.
callaloo. Not callaloo, them say callaloo.
Ilaloo, man. Yeah, see that?
Callaloo?
Yeah, man.
Not callaloo.
Yeah, man. Ground food, you know.
They call it one of them things and we put them together, they call it the vegetable mix. You know? Could I get a little plant for dice it up and put furniture? You see?
Yeah, man, so you already know.
Yeah, so you know it goes already. So I have to give thanks to Michael from the USA for providing the meal for the elderly today.
Michael from the USA.
Michael.
No, a whole heap of respect, you know.
Yeah, man.
Hello. Yeah, man, Isla is I tell you, Jaja. You see?
Yeah, so them say callaloo mixed with cabbage today.
Yeah, man, you see? The ground product over there, you know. You see me, I say? Michael, big up, you know.
Michael.
Big up, and Michael Jackson and Michael Jackson.
Yeah, man, real Michael.
And Michael Price, you know, big up.
Real Michael.
So that's Michael from the USA
Give thanks, man.
providing the meal for the
Only
elderly.
love in Michael, where's the USA you come from?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
England.
So somewhere in the US, could be your place.
Whoa. Yeah, man.
Right, man.
Whoa.
It could be your place, wow, chef.
Whoa, yes, man.
Somewhere in the USA.
Yeah, we soon get the NI, because we don't go down at the party. We soon get the NI, man.
Yeah, so big up yourself, Michael.
We have to find out, you know. Michael,
It's a blessings, and we thank you so much for providing this meal for the elders. And we thank all the donors them as well to who provide previously meals for the elderly them same way. You know,
I
because
thank the world.
Yeah.
And the world, they don't know we love the world, so thank you to all of the donors.
yeah,
You see me?
yeah.
Yes, you will.
Yeah man, every time man, because they don't know food the stuff of life, you know. So they say food is the stuff of life, so you don't know so we have to be for the elderly them every time. You know where me be?
Yeah.
Them say only one B. And the zaga zow.
I'm there, man.
So the pepper they might burn the eye.
Oh, dear, oh, God.
Right all the time. So across the road we have the gun provide. Whoa. Whoa. So over here is the gun provide pot.
Yeah. Check. Kick up people, okay. So, yeah. Anything I tell people from day one, they boil banana and skin, get enough iron. Only for iron, you see me I say?
Yeah.
You go and go down too deep for the yam and the banana, them Irish, them scratch, you know.
So we have the yam and the banana
Irish, you know.
and
Ooh,
the
see
Irish
the pumpkin there.
inside. And you don't want the pumpkin go too deep too as well.
Yeah,
you know, so you mash up.
That to me to look it look like right now. You see me? Me to like I say it look like right now to me. Yeah, man, Kino, man, I dig all the pot, you know.
So you can take it off now.
Yeah, man, cause you see me I say,
So
yeah, man.
cook here now.
The boss name again.
Tony.
Big up enough respect, you know, Tony.
Yeah.
People love, you know. Toronto, Canada, cause from all day me have to, you know. And I left up this jacket them from Toronto, you know. Shanty Blue, watch your face.
Yeah.
Enough
Love Beer Station.
Yeah, man, Pablo. Yeah, man.
Big up the Love Beer Station.
All Canadian. Love beer.
Yeah.
Toronto, Canada. Yeah, man. There are many names over them can't remember. So
Yeah.
set the love phone same way, you know.
Yeah.
man.
So that blessings and that big up here go to Tony. Michael, go to Michael will provide a meal, you know.
Big respect and love in a Michael, cause boy. Elders them all eat. Soft food like the ground product. Pumpkin, banana, Irish and sweet potato. Yeah, so Tony, enough love and only for respect.
Michael.
You know? No, Michael, enough love, only for respect, you know. And now I got out to London, big up, you know, England.
Yeah.
Only for people never England, you know. Big up on a nice friend too, you know. You
Nice
want to call all the name.
You see not call name.
You know, man.
Yeah, the water you look rich. We say you take a drink now, boy.
Yeah, man, iron in night, you know, only for iron in night, you know.
I always say you drink it and belch.
Yeah, man, see this water looks so. The banana get the color of the pumpkin, sweet potato. Everything in the get a flavor, so. Yeah, man, come like I'm drink it like Samson. Yeah, man, come like Samson, I'm drink it, you know. Yeah, man.
You feel like something.
Yeah, man. Strong like Goliath, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Enough love my people, you know, yeah.
Twice.
Twice, you see me?
Not once, not twice.
London. Yeah, man.
You know it goes.
So it's setting the people.
All
All
right,
for love, enough love, all for respect. Love people out there, I love, you know. Yeah, man, I have some special love some people out there, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, man, so.
Dream team, one
Time I
team.
come, man, me and I link up, man. Only, you see me?
Alright then.
Big up England again, because I can't big up England, you know. No, yeah, twice. Yeah, man.
Alright then.
Now I left know, yeah, man.
Here? But I can't ever come off of the bed so quick. Yes, Sam. Eh? You say good news? Him say I have good news? Oh. Sam say I have good news. We have good news as well too. Good news both ways. Come in?
Yeah, man.
Oh. I mean you just come back from there. Push again down?
Yeah.
Right down.
Yeah, that's what I tell you this evening.
Yeah?
I shall give me some build up back.
To build up back. That good. So that's a good sign, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. To bring somebody for you. Sam, how are going behind this? I must be right behind you.
Decorations.
Ginger beer.
Decoration.
Decoration, you drink them?
No, sir.
You don't drink?
Long time.
Eh?
A long time.
Long time then? Oh, you don't drink them?
No, sir. We used to drink them.
Oh, you used to? No. You don't drink soda?
Stop.
Yeah. No, we don't eat rice and then we could think then.
Where is those rice, man? So when she start that food.
Grunk food.
Yeah.
No dumpling. Just grunk food. And no salt. You know, no salt and then we put him in the grease. I forget cause when I see them ginger beer I say, no Sam. No. You not use them? Which one I use? What they so? Oh, what the difference with that? Oh, the fuse. If some work on here so?
Stove.
So, is that hot plate this make some?
Yeah, man.
So what is stove really works so well?
Yeah, man, stove work, man. Few money stay away. No, don't mind them.
Oh, so the money stay away?
No, mind.
So you don't use the hot plate?
I just put me down since we come out this evening now.
Oh, this I use hot plate?
Yeah, I use food like this evening.
Oh, look how some create something and some just put the hot plate on the block.
Yeah, I buy the things then.
You buy the things and feed?
I buy this and that and
So you break off for it?
yeah, man. 50 amps,
50 amps. You send it to the box.
It's chipping out of me. That's what chipping out of me.
Oh yeah. Okay, you know so you keep it. Okay. So you know about electric then?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so from here, I say you're alright with stove with us because through sometime you don't have gas, I use the hot plate.
Oh, man, so you guys get this.
I want a better hot plate than this, man. I'm gonna try and see if I can get one for you. Because when I like, because when I put the pot on you, it's like unbalanced, you know.
No, man, no. Man.
See that rock, Sam, it's a rock.
No, I don't want that.
I like when you're creative, but you try to help yourself. And you still tell me, say, you're alright.
You know, say. The money got that. You know.
You want a doctor?
The money you give me, got to take the doctor.
The money I give you? You take it to the doctor? Okay. I wish one a doctor, the one for tell about the, what should they tell about the $4,000?
No.
Normal doctor.
My doctor send me go stipend road. And stipend road send me straight to QC. Go Kingston Public.
Okay, Kingston Public.
I go Kingston Public. The doctor of Kingston Public say, boy, he's serious now, so he make up like a parrot and push me and bring drink and drink.
Can drink you?
Give me three dose site. I don't know. And two decide that to say, gone down.
So that's good, right? And you feel a little better, or you feel better?
Yeah, man.
Because like how them do that, you know, you have to eat the healthy food, you know?
Yeah, man.
Cook up the healthy food, no them rice, no flour, no sugar, no salt, no grease, no soda. You know, even though you say them a decoration, you can see cobweb on them and dust. But don't drink no soda at all. Yeah? No soda. But I love you and get you a different hot plate from what me I see, because this are cost damage as well to everything. To even the stone we I use. It's shaky, Sam, you know, and pot, you know you say it's alright, but it's shaky. I have a stove there, so. Yeah. So, the good news, I bring somebody for you where you can train. Yeah, this is Natisha's son. This is Junior, you know, Junior Sam. So, you know, I'm willing for learn. Yeah, sure, my grand. You need to see if we can get Barter Bill and railing for you, Sam. You don't want a railing? Eh?
Can't be railing, man.
You can't build railing?
Yeah, man.
So you want help to build it?
No really.
Not really. Why Sam just want the everything for himself? Sam just want the everything for himself. Why Sam? Why everybody take a page out of your book? I'm not even lying.
This pile.
Eh?
This pile.
It's spoiled?
Yeah. Watch out.
Oh, it, oh yeah. Yeah.
So,
And just because it's sure you alone.
I'm cut, man.
Just because sure you alone.
Yeah, man. Because I'm alone and it's the way I use.
So now you have Junior. How old are you now, Junior?
6.
I'm 16.
You can learn, man.
You can learn. You can learn a lot. And in the like, Natisha, where you saying they want the first plumbing? Or even the plumbing?
Yeah, plumbing was his option. And when he went to school the other day, he said, the teacher asked me if he wanted to change it, and he said yes, and he changed it to electronic.
Electronics. So that's good. So you have the electronics part, and you have the welding part where you can learn from Sam. As well, say Sam get a lot of job in him, but he not have the
So as what I tell him, when he go in class, he asked the electronic teacher what he's going to need. And when he was going to do the plumbing, he would need overall and measuring tape. So I don't know what he's going to need.
This time around.
When you go in class, I will know. So I don't know what to do.
Because at the minute I do online class, right?
Yeah.
And what time the online class start? What time?
8 o'clock.
Till what? Till about 2 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
Till 1 o'clock. You hear Sam?
Yeah, man.
So you do online class from 8 in the morning?
And from Saturdays from 8 to, call it 1 to.
1. So
Saturday classes.
so you could have start help you like at 2 o'clock after 1 then time. So you can do. So you have to just tell him now when he can come and start, you know, you show him.
I start anytime.
Anytime. So Junior, when you want to start, you say anytime too?
Anytime too.
You hear Sam? Sam him say anytime too, you know.
Yeah, man.
So I could have it today, tomorrow, is whenever I'm ready and available.
I'll show you. Who want to cost me hospital, cost me, you know. I mean, I'm tired of no worry.
She cost you?
Yes, cost me.
Why?
If you come out Saturday, and when you come out, you create a problem. You like us, again. That's it.
If you come out?
Yes.
Come out where?
Come out of the hospital.
Oh.
Discharge.
Okay.
And she cost me and the man, you know.
Sam, you don't get no bullet, so you not call me.
No. So, we have to check it out. She kept me close, come and throw long one time table and say, I'm keep me couple of book of he just said what? He said me, you know, key. Some say me, my key, some take out my key. I show you police brother there, see here. Right?
So the key there for what?
Key please.
Oh, if you come home.
Yeah. So
Rogue. Yeah, hospital rogue, yeah. Much less, yeah.
So after that done, I know it's come. And I tell her, I started her, I said, God, she's nice.
Mm-hmm.
She's about 29, she's about 19.
19. Sam, I'm about to go upstairs now for a comeback down. Well, alright, you know, Sam, the ramp, you know. Take your time, Sam.
Take time.
I want to with Sam, you know. Oh, you give it? I want to Sam, you know. This?
Yeah.
How are this? It's like teacup.
Exactly.
Is that a cup with the tea with the steam and come out there, right?
Exactly. She got tea, can come to me. She gives some water, she got your tea, with some milk in it. I will drink it. And I don't look at my side or my house, when we can do this. But same time.
So what you take the tea and come give it to you?
You see this now? This is one side, the other side.
Yeah.
Right? And this other side. Close the pan side.
What, this?
Yeah, the banana.
Oh, so you put it on it as a design?
Yeah, as a design.
Okay. Oh, go call him to me then. Yeah, Snagga, go and call him to me. Which part in there?
Design, man.
The design.
In the body. Me say pick up the big man Kino, me say.
Snagga.
From Scanner. Get better the first me meet Scanner today.
Yeah, simple. Back up.
First me meet him and today. How are you? Eh? Scanner say you give me life. Me say I set it up. Heal the body. Flush the body and build back the body. Come to the Herbal.
Where you at?
Heal the body and pick up Kino because them man you do. Where man you trick like. No man now must spend time and try to look after people and people. How is them man you do? So you say watch your man. Life real.
You're not going.
Give up. Where you? How are you? Fireman. Holy man that has people out there. And the Herbal man. Alright, man. Alright. Yeah, we're there. Hey, yes, so, yo, my people. Bless up.
That gin that.
Gin.
Yeah.
So far. Anytime we pass through, alright, you know, say, I'm a spirit that say, come in at TrenchTown, come big up that Bob Marley. Bob Marley set a foundation and him talk everything where they happen on planet Earth. And you see it happen now. Poisoning the children, them killing all the people, them. Him tell us say I have no fear for atomic energy because none of them don't know the time.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm saying them all tired to see our face, them can't get it out of the
Yeah.
Bob Marley say everything. That's why he's one of the greatest artists that walk planet Earth. Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey says self-reliant, self-confident. You must believe in yourself. Have confidence in yourself. Boot yourself. When people say you can't make it, tell them say you can't make it because God is real and life is real. And Bob Marley don't tell it already. Say watch your man. So much trouble in the world. And Bob Marley say it again.
Yeah, true.
Old pirate come for rabbi, sell it to the merchant.
Why the amount of people call me fear boy?
My lord, you see me I know, me there man because as I say, my number, 876-884-8176. That's my digit. Call me, but something I can't.
Tell them again.
876-884-8176. I'm the Herbal man. Call me and give me a visit. You know why you can't get me sometimes? Because I'm a scientist. I'm not just a herbalist. I'm a scientist. Sometimes I'm busy in the lab and I'm a spiritual energy because everything comes through the spiritual energy. Yeah, spiritual, physical, mental. You have 3 planes of life, you know. Spiritual, physical, mental. The physical is the flesh. The spiritual is that energy, the cosmic energy. And the mental is the mind. So you must learn to control the mind. So right now, big up Kino. Kino say big up the sponsors and the people that the donors them who donate money to the promotion and to the business. Big up the donor them. And Snagga Puss is here. Anytime you want to find me, just call Kino and you will get me because Kino, alright, I go, you know, I'm a spirit just say come through the area. Come through the area.
Alright, in the spirit because from about 2 days ago, my mind tell me say I'm going to meet you because you need to see you because I say Sam, a lot of people mention him and say yo, make it Snagga come look for him and see what can get done.
No man, anything wrong to the body. We're not dead, no dash you and no call it up. When we say while
we're not dead,
no dash you and no call it up because God real and life free.
Of course.
You hear that?
So we're going to show you.
So we're going to show you say God real and life. See like when you see Scanner get up and walk, and today the first we meet Scanner from Scanner get up and walk. From them time, how long that?
Good couple months now.
Good couple months now and Scanner alive and Scanner
walk up and down.
Scanner come shame me and say you give me life. I say, you give yourself life because God in you, your doctor in you. Alright my people, so we have a look on the next patient here now and we'll show you so watch out. Life is real. Life is what?
Real.
Never give up. Never give up. Bless up.
So Snagga Puss.
Yes.
This is Sam. You know.
Sam this.
Yeah, he's one of the recipients on the program as well too.
Alright Sam.
He have pressure problem. You know, he catch much strokes, 3 strokes already. It affect him speech.
Well, alright, we're gonna bring back that. Know yourself, man. Life is real, God real, and everything real.
Yeah. And
him catch a strokes. You know what is strokes? Strokes is when the blood are clog. When the blood clog, it get thick, so it rob the oxygen from the brain, so circulation problem. And when it do, it cut off the oxygen, so right away, the oxygen supply, respiratory problem, which is the breathing, heart problem, which is cardiovascular. So when that strokes lick him now because our oxygen now circle to the brain, the blood get thick and through it have a rush, and him lucky it not lick left, right or center. Them cut the head, well good them not cut the brain. Understand me? Because if it the bad, them have cut the brain and take out the blood and clean out the clot. But where them don't cut it, so what we are gonna do now, we are give him some herbs and some mineral where clean back the blood, build up back the blood, build up back him immune system, and build back him speech level because the nerves them damage. Optic nerves and a thing called the vagus nerve, which is the vagus nerves is one of the tallest nerves in the body. Connect from the brain, go straight down to the diaphragm, and it connect to all the organs them. So we're gonna clean up back him vagus nerves, strengthen back him optic nerves, get back him circulation, get back him energy, build up back him millivolt. The human body carry 50 millivolt, which is the current. A house gear 110 and some gear 210. The human body is 50 millivolt. Right now, for him, millivolt drop to 30 because oxygen level drop. We have to clean back him blood, build up back him DNA, RNA, immune system, and make him speech come back strong, make him eyesight come back good, make him brain power up because when you get strokes, it can get a thing named dementia, it can get a thing called Alzheimer's, it can make your memory box gone, it can make you no remember nothing. But the greatest thing, he remember certain things now. So it's right now, we're just there. As I said, the energy send me here, you know. I said, you know, so I'll pass through Raymond and check Kino. Because in the pan spot, I mean, I come big up Bob Marley, because Bob Marley a dada. Bob Marley a the man. Bob Marley set the foundation. Bob Marley tell you everything before it happen. See it a fulfill you now. So all the people them, wake up and live. Get yourself reconnect to nature and life. Because this COVID virus and this corona thing is no joke thing. It's a man-made thing where I take over the place. It a kill and it a destroy life, but the only way you can get rid of it, you have to reconnect your back to nature, yourself, and your God Almighty, because you have the power. You're born with it, the body can heal itself. Body don't need no help of no man. You have a healing power, turn on back your switch. Start listening to your inner voice. Start take back your mind from people. Start think for yourself. Start know so what your man. Self-reliant, self-confidence. Yeah. And where you have? Where you have? Diabetes, arthritis, sinusitis, meningitis, any kind of sickness. God are the healer, me are the cleaner, the virus killer, the human plumber. Yeah, the human plumber, that means me clean up back any current in the body. So what we have to do for Sam you know, we have to clean up Sam, we have to build up Sam, and we have to straighten up back Sam and make Sam can talk back clean and straight and plain, right Sam? Put the bit up on Sam. Sam. Talk to them, tell them say you go talk back good and you go get back energy. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Open up your hand.
I am palm.
See it. Current we are sent straight because every human being carry a thing called electromagnetic field. That is the current of the planet. And that's what we have to do. Rebuilding back now, smooth him, passing back the current from me to him. Strengthen him, give him back a self-confidence, make him start think, make him know, sit down and fret and stop. Because fret is one of the wickedest sickness. It destroys the human immune system. When you fret and you worry, it will kill you. Some people, so Samuel, same like when you see Kino get up, Scanner get up and walk. And so, you know, see Sam get better because one thing we know in life, it's real. It's no fake thing. If you're real to life, life real to you. And if you're fake to life, life fake to you. So what you sow is what you reap. And what you give, how you get. See there? So right now, sometimes you have to wait. So once a man,
twice a child.
So come like Sam come back to a child. So we have to teach him back.
And I'm walking as well. Walking as well. Stand up, and can't, he's not strong enough.
Come on, more energy and energy for what? Take your time, yeah?
See him walk and rock.
Yeah man, no, well let's see the nerves them damaging. The nerves them damaged. So you need the mineral now and the nutrition. Mineral and the nutrition for building back. That's my job. I'm a nutritionist and I'm a scientist and an alcoholist. So you know see him I walk now? But what couple days time you will see him walk back straight. I don't know say you can't believe, but remember,
couple days?
Couple days man. In another month you know. By the end of the month him can walk straight because life is a thing, it have many surprises to people. Doctor we give a lady the other day, doctor gave her 3 days to live and right now she's living because when me tell her say no, the doctor name God Almighty. Put your trust in your God and tell yourself say live, and she living now. So that's my job to build back people's self-confidence. Just like Kino job, search for the needy and help the needy and big up again, big up all the donor them. The donor them, enough respect and love on them because we are do for anybody, you do it for yourself. And when you help anybody, help yourself.
Of course.
Remember this, you know, when you help a man, you help yourself. Because the whole of we are God's children. We are the children of the universe, a child of the universe. Cosmic being, planetarian. So, right now, see the real man, you know, we're going to make him walk back. Catch him walk again.
I think he have a bladder problem as well too.
Yeah man, he have all of the organs them are detailed. So when a man reach certain age, when he reach 40 years old and I go 50, the organs them start to deteriorate and fail. So if you don't know the proper mineral to feed the body and strengthen the immune system, right? So my bladder problem, I have all kind of problems. So we are going to build him up back. So people who can help him, help him. Big up the donor them, because my job is to go for the mineral, feed him with the Irish mash and the spirulina, seaweed them. But just come from the sea, you know, just go for a whole heap of Irish mash and spirulina and the sea veg them because right now the food where people are eat fertilizer, chemical, arsenic or poison. And right now somebody poison. So we have to detox back, sir, revitalize the system, recreate back his energy. So right now, Me say, tell Kino say couple days time, Sam go. Couple days time mean tomorrow. Tomorrow can be all the next 2 months, the next 3 months. Cause what? It's tomorrow that.
Yeah.
Today is today. So me say couple days time, can the next 2 months.
And them on pills as well too.
And them on pill as well. Well, we now
what kind of pill are they on, Sam? Tell them.
What kind of pill? Oh yeah, what problem? But them will get you weaker because those pills carry side effect. When pill carry side effect, you know what side effect is. Anything me I take kind of side effect, me now take it. I'll tell you if I'm black. Right, have a problem. Anything we are doing, I feel full of it. Well, that's why the herbs are the healing of the nation, because the herbs are the healing of the nation. They give you all the minerals. The body need 102 minerals. So right now, some are go and take him pill them and give the herbs them till him can come out for the pill. Me now go just tell them say stop take the pill.
Yeah.
You have to help. You have to train the body out for rebuild back itself.
Yeah.
You understand? Because some man you go there, oh that's the pill man. You understand? You move out of house. You get notice from one house. Go find the next house before you move out.
Yeah.
So, me I make sure Sam take him time come out for the pill. I'm build up back him immune system, build up back him membrane, build up back him blood count, build up back him body energy, build up back him self-confidence, and build up back the most important thing. I think in brain name neurogenesis. Neurogenesis is that thing where keep you creating every day. You don't stop.
Okay.
Anytime you stop, when your neurogenesis die. So we are talking about now common sense and intelligence. You don't get it at school, you know, you're born with common sense and intelligence. But if you don't know how to use it, you lose it.
Sure.
You have the mind, you don't know how to use the mind, you lose it. The mind is one of the most powerfulest weapons. Because your mind can make you rich and your mind can make you poor. Your mind can make you live and your mind can make you die.
Yeah.
So people use it because everybody born with talent, you know. See Samuel, no worry yourself, you're alright. Yes sir. No worry yourself. I'm alright. I'm going to work with Sam. Here, I'm going to work
with pressure pill?
Pressure pill.
And what?
Water pill.
Water pill, pressure pill, all type of pill in there. All type of pill.
Eh? Can show him? Yeah, can show him down.
Go on for the man.
Yeah.
Walk back man, just practice to start walk back man. Yeah. Right now you have a thing named where the human body now you have a thing named the spine, which is the lumbar spine. And it develop a thing you see my fear. Spinal stenosis. That means the vagus nerves want clean up and the automatic nerves and the motor nerves. And motor nerves make you can go move your foot. The automatic nerves now, right? Give you a flex, it control your pressure, it control the heart. And you have a thing named now, the vagus nerves. It connect to all the organs them. I hit, power up the organs them, but you have to know if you clean it and you have to know if you give the proper nutrition, which is electrical cell food. And if you not eat cell food, you know. Some people 876-884-8176, you can call me anytime. If you call me and you don't get me same time, just keep calling man because them say knock and it shall open. Ask and it shall give. And you're fine. And if you can't get me, just contact Kino and he will link me up there. Now all about the place. And sometimes I'm a spirit. The spirit say come check Kino. And see me here, me just run and come and right away. Right away me meet scanner first. Scanner, me meet scanner first. And from the first time me meet scanner and look up a scanner, me know see scanner again, tell scanner walk now. I'll be me can't ever believe it myself, but I don't believe it, it's knowing. Know where the God can do. Your God living in you, you know. No make no man tell you nothing. You have 7.5 billion people upon the planet. That means religion is a what? Personal thing. So your religion is your way of life, how you want to live and what you want to do. So never make no man think for you. And never make no man do a lead you. You're a leader, you're born as a leader. You're not a follower. You're a leader. Follower, 98% of the people know a follower because they have to eat everything we advertise, eat everything where Babylon has say, eat everything where me eat where my body request. See the man that come with the pill them, so much pill them I take. Watch out. Watch out. I pill them here, you know. And you know, see me get up and walk straight. Pill them here, hold this. Hold this. Watch out. This is not food. This is not food, this is drugs. These are drugs. What the body need, you know, the body need mineral. The body built up with 102 mineral. Iron, calcium, omega-3, potassium, all of the things. Now watch again. You're not done with ballad. Watch out. You're not done take out things. All him do a full prescription, on top of prescription. Come to Empress. A full prescription, on top of prescription. But people, life real. And the real food is mineral that come from Mama Earth. And I hit me, you know, me are the mineral man, the nutrition man, the herbalist, the scientist, the nutritionist, and also the alcoholist, and also the psychiatrist. Because if the mind gone and you're schizophrenia, we know if we talk to you, if we recreate back the mind, control back what? A thing called the memory box, build back a thing called the neurogenesis. So people, remember this. Don't give up. We're not dead, not that never give up on your life force. See me?
Yeah, Sam.
Sam this. We don't give up on Sam. Now, tomorrow, same like when you see Scanner, get up and walk. Sam can't talk but good. Sam say, we must get better. We must get better. Their program song now say, it must get better. Because God real and life real. God in you and God in me. The moon, the sun, and the star will shine. What do you think make it shine? The Most High
Himself.
Psalms 91. He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide in under the shadow of the wings of the Most High. The Almighty shall be like a tree that planted by the river, bear fruit. So right now, Sam, my Ben, I'll make you go sit down back, you know, because we don't want to stress him out, yeah? But we're going to make you see him, say, watch out. This is the man who you see like this. Same like where you see Scanner, they lay down, in the bed for you long, get up and walk back, you know, and feel happy and nice. And it make enough people know who help him. All over the world, people call me from all over the world. See? Alright. Bless up here.
Yeah, man.
So, remember, 884-8176, my digit. 876-884-8176. Call me here. Bless up. Bless up. And remember, big up all the donor them. All the donor them, big up. And the sponsors them, big up. And big up Kino for the work we do. God bless you. Alright.
Yeah, man, love, you know, Snagga. Yes, Snagga. Because the man of the roots, man.
Me come.
Yeah, man, come.
Because, yeah, man, Snagga, because my work is good for my belly, you know.
Yeah. Yes. Sit down back, son, man, come back. Sam, just sit down. Man, come back. I don't think Sam fit and want to help himself, you know. Herbal treatment. And so we have Junior here as well too. So Junior, you say willing to learn the trade? Yeah, you're the right person, you know. So Sam, it's pure good news, you know. Good news. And you have even Junior as well to help you out work at daytime. So you can continue, you know. Yeah. Somebody that asked me for your, well, I'm say the text, but them that asked me for the price. So I tell you what them say they want. Alright. So you want to know how much for the 3-piece set for the chair for the veranda. 3-piece set for the veranda. Because I'm not telling him say you never really come up with any price yet because you have to know where you buy and them little things there. So I want to know how much for the 3-piece set for the veranda. You know, so that kind of chair. Yeah.
About 20,000.
About 20,000. Okay. So you must definitely say want to give a support on that. So I'm going to text him and let him know. So you say but you're not sure. You're not sure, right? Yeah, so I make him know the rough idea then, Sam. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.